So I've been keeping a secret from everyone. We're in Maui. So why did I keep this such a secret? Well, for the last couple months I've been working extremely hard, 50+ hour weeks, and I was just mentally exhausted. I needed a break, or wanted to get away as well. So she planned this amazing trip for us and took care of absolutely everything. I didn't have to think of anything, which was fantastic. And we really didn't want people to tell us where to go, what places to eat, what to see, what to do. We just wanted to do our own thing so that we did get refreshed and renewed, because it's been a long couple months, and this is the first time I really actually needed a vacation. So I've unplugged, I've relaxed, and we did exactly what we wanted.
For better days to come and carry us like wind.